What's up? Today we're going to reassemble the rest of this 2008 BMW 335 Xi. We're talking about the hood, the front bumper, all the plastic pieces for the grills, the headlights, the fender, the inner fender liner, the door, everything inside the door, the window, the actuator, locks, the handles, all that stuff. Should have had it a bit lower, I guess. Should have probably untaped it when it was off. Too, bro. Come on. Finger tight a couple of these and set back down. Doors hanging, look at that. And these bolts are slipped to that door thing. Door swing thing, whatever it is. If it closes right. No, we gotta adjust it a bunch. And that color is questionable. Got it to close a bit better. Still should just go down a tiny bit, I think. Oh, let's see if that's any better. Yeah, it's a bit lower up top, a bit lower on the bottom. Lines are basically perfect. I think it's good. We'll tighten it all the way up there now. Run the wiring harness back into the door.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Next, we're putting in the lock and door handle back in. Okay, so you have the light out of the way, you pull the little lever forward and a little latch up there holds it for you. Then once you get it in place like that, you push the latch back up and boom, it pulls the handle tight. And, oh, don't pull it though because it'll slide out. So, let's try that again. There we go, so it pulled it tight. Now, what actually holds it together, don't pull it right now because it will come undone. So now you gotta pop your light down into the right spot. Come on, buddy. Here a second ago. There you go. And then you slide this guy in, and the screw on this thing holds the tension on that. So I'll reach in here and tighten that with this. Next, we put in the window actuator. Okay, so I got the wiring harness all run back there and hooked in, hopefully the right way so the window doesn't hit it. And now we're gonna put the window in. Yep. Window. Get it in to its little to its place, into where it slides, and then you just slide it right down into its clips, as long as you got it in the right actual oh, not quite. There we go. Snappity clappity. That looks good. Let me go see over here. Yeah, we're in there. And we're in over there. So right on. Windows in. Tight. Ooh, so just pop the mirror back together. Looking pretty good. Just pop right on. That's the same thing it's going to do right now. Just pop right on. What's up, Tip?
Come on. So we can do it.
Alright, time to put on the fender. Hey, look, the door works. It's all back together. All painted. Works pretty good. All this headlight and headlight washer, bracket, all that. So we'll start by doing the headlight washer. Oh yeah, buddy. Real nice. There's a bunch of plastic. It's all that holds it together. Damn right. This front bumper, before we put it on, should be pretty simple. Everything just, if I remember correctly, everything just pops in. Here, plastic piece thing. Done. Look at that. Tight, right? Now let's take it for inspection. Cool, man.